After watching this film, we're all like, what? So we were able to watch this newest movie. It's called Primate in advance, and here's our thoughts. The plot is actually stripped down to its barest essentials. Very simple lang yung plot niya. A beloved family chimpanzee named Ben contracts rabies. And after he got rabies, he just started hurting yung family na talagang nag-ampon sa kanya. Basically, that's it. That's the plot. There are no secret government experiments or whatsoever. Ganun lang yung plot niya. And we feel like the simplicity worked in the film's favor, allowing the narrative to skip the usual investigation phase. Diba, usong-uso yung mga ganun. Pag mga suspense or mga thriller, and they dove straight into the theme na survival. Nakaka-pressure talaga yung feeling. Matatakot ka na hindi mo talaga alam yung mararamdaman mo. Because if you'll watch the whole film, parang it's like a cat and mouse sequences yung makikita mo that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Horror fans won't be disappointed. The gore is satisfyingly bloody. But we also feel like the standout for this film is they used practical effects for this. And just a little trivia in case you still don't know, Ben, which is the name of the chimpanzee, is played by an actor, si Miguel Torres Umba. So yes, tao yun. Siya si Ben. Very convincing. It is so amazing that it's not CGI. Diba? Like, in terms of physicality, they used a combination of like a detailed suit and intricate animatronics, which, of course, yung mga filmmakers, they gave the chimpanzee a tangible sense of weight and movement. It also traded yung digital perfection for like the physical intensity that you really see and feel when you watch the film. So yes, The Primate is worth watching, and it's now showing in all Philippine cinemas. So, yayain nyo na yung mga friends nyo and family nyo. Watch it.